What is the nature of your business?
Nagbebenta po ako ng accessories online kaya ito ay trending business.
How long have you been in this kind of business?
Mahigit 1 taon na po ako nagbebenta at ako ay nagsimula noong bakasyon last year.
They say if you really want to start a business, money is not a problem. You can do anyway. For you to finance the start-up business, what can do you say about it?
Tama po, maliit lang po ang aking puhunan pero galing po ito sa aking baon.
What made you decide to start this business at yours?
Gusto ko pong kumita at naisip ko rin po na nasayang ang mga gamit na hindi nagagamit.
What are the challenges or problems you encounter while doing this business? And how did you overcome?
Minsan wala pong bumibili kaya nag-promote po ako sa group chat at gumawa po ako ng social account.
Your advices to all your What are your advices to all young people who want to be an entrepreneur someday?
Kung may ideya ka, subukan mo kaagad. Hindi mo kailangan ng pera. Kailangan mo lang diskarte at tiyaga.